Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to do double spacing in Word. Friends, in your Word document, if you want to increase the space between the lines, then you can do it very easily by selecting the text. So to select the complete document, you need to press Ctrl A. Now right click on it. Now here you will find option of paragraph. In paragraph, you can adjust the line spacing. Now here I will select double and press on OK. Now as you can see, it has doubled the space between the lines in my complete document. So like this, you can also find this option under the Home tab. You need to go on paragraph and click on this little arrow, and here also you will find the same option. So friends, like this you can very easily increase or decrease space between the lines in Word document. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.